In this video, we'll demonstrate how to repair both a concrete wall and an overhead concrete surface using Belzona 4141 Magma-Build. To ensure excellent adhesion, both repairs require the use of Belzona 4911 Magma TX conditioner. To begin mixing, open the base and solidifier, then pour the solidifier into the base. Mix thoroughly using a Belzona spatula until fully combined. First, we'll demonstrate how to repair a concrete wall with Belzona. The surface must be clean, firm, and dry, so if needed, remove any loose dust or material. Use a brush to apply a layer of Belzona 4911 Magma TX conditioner onto the entire repair area. Next, to mix a full unit of Belzona 4141 Magma-Build, open the bucket and remove all components. This product requires a mechanical mixer, so begin by adding approximately half of the base. Start the mixer and add the entire contents of the solidifier container. Once the two components have blended, gradually add the remaining base material. Continue mixing for around 5 minutes, moving the paddle around to break up any lumps until an even color and consistency are achieved. Scrape down the sides of the bucket with a Belzona spatula to incorporate any unmixed material. Using a trowel, apply Belzona 4141 Magma-Build to begin rebuilding the surface to its original profile. Start by forcing Belzona 4141 into the back of the damaged area to eliminate any voids. Continue adding material, smoothing and leveling until the entire area is restored. Allow the repair to cure to full mechanical strength. This takes 2 days at 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Consult the instructions for use for full guidance. Now, let's carry out an overhead concrete repair. For smaller repairs, Belzona 4141 Magma-Build can be mixed in small quantities using the measuring cup supplied with the product at a ratio of 13 parts base to 1 part solidifier. Once the conditioner has been applied, use a trowel to firmly pack the material into the repair area to ensure no voids remain. The lightweight properties of Belzona 4141 Magma-Build make it ideal for this application. Build up the material using a former as required. Then hold the trowel at a shallow angle to smooth the repair. Then leave to cure. The repairs are now complete.